Yo, what's up, Molibonj? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Molibonj by Zambia, Molibonj by Africa. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Like I said, my name is Titi. I am from Tswana, but I currently live here in the USA, and I haven't been doing reactions in a long time. In a minute, but I'm back now for a little bit. How are you guys doing? So I'm going to be reacting to the songs I might have missed 2025. Let's see if I missed any of the songs, and I'm going to be honest if I missed the songs or if I didn't. Anyway, so this is Zambia's top 10 of 2025. Okay, so let's get to it. Top 10 2025 Zambia.
On
let's go.
YouTube. Released in February 2024, Israel and Nalu's Simwamene has at the end of the year gotten up to 2.4 million views.
I think I've seen this video. Honestly. Yo, I think I might have reacted to this song, and now I'm not so sure. Okay, so yeah, it looks so familiar. I might have watched it by myself, or I've reacted to it at some point. Okay, so yeah, I think so. Okay, let's see. Anyway, let's continue with this and see what it goes. Yeah, definitely listened to the song before. I think I might have reacted to it.
The beautiful Toela Kaira Zingati was quite the hit with some dance challenges to it. She featured Maju's Blood Kid and Zaven on this song, which has gotten over 2.7 million views.
Give it to me tonight. I will love you till morning light. But if I feel like I'm gonna leave it, 'cause I'm not regular. I am the one in a million. Get it from me. I'm so classy. I'm the best of what you'll ever meet.
Toela Kiara.
He has the most interesting song opening. Blood Kid's Consistency featuring Neslong was quite the banger, which has closed off 2024 with over 2.9 million views.
Yeah, this one I'm pretty sure I have not seen it, but it's a banger though. I should check this one out. It's a whole vibe. Definitely have to check this one out.
J-Max had a pretty big year with an album release.
J-Max, one of my favorite artists from Zambia, number 7 of 2025. No surprise there.
But I never worried, they know what they want, they knock back. Them body sack.
I don't know if I've seen this one. But because it's JK, I think I might have seen it on my own. So I was some videos seems so familiar, I'm not sure.
The not-so-retired King Booga gave us another beautiful collaboration with Yo-Max. Natural closed off 2024 with over 3.2 million views.
I love that you know that you're beautiful. Confidence in Gabashan and Funkutu. Never butterflies,
By the way, how's the political career going down there for the big man himself?
I just be thinking about you. That I found you. Kirije when I'm around you, beside you, inside you. Meet a fair wadi pressure. Self-esteem unizale tavesha. She's my piece, it a campela pressure. We share ile langati tuwa mulesha. Natural beauty wakamba. Kakapita kabama katamba.
Yo, I don't think I've seen this one. I should definitely be reacting to this one too, so check it out. Like, check out the reaction. Yeah, I didn't check this one out.
He started off 2024 with an album drop, Boy from Chile Land, and Chile One's
Chile One. I think I've rated this one with
has been the ultimate love song with over 4.1.
Yeah, definitely seen this one.
Let me tell you something. Since you came into my life, I'm a big boy. Though it looks like I'm not pushing, everything I do for you. Limotula mashona.
Yeah, I've seen this one. Beautiful video, by the way.
Ndayafika tende tale puna chiwawa Nikushitila kona kawawa Karibu kutepo nkupukule wali wambeba
Beautiful video.
Kena nobe Kasangwa nobe Mukulila na mukuseka.
All about praise to the Most High for all his achievements.
And this one.
Has been a
Yo Maps, big guy out there in Zambia. So I've checked this one. I think I've reacted to this one.
2024 with 5.6 million views.
My nigga man tell him a snitch.
Hey.
My brother fake you the week. Tell us the heavy na my cheek. Since I go, I couldn't the killer. Cheza kumbila kungala koma champion each other. Genza mi shine each other. Apita mumiso zina Leka chape Nikushimikile Kopalile Boindile Super power King Commando Bafuno Kwesa Bankale Pamu Pamu Simunga Poke
Yeah, one of my favorite. Hey, yeah, one of my favorite songs. Up there with someone. This was a beautiful video. I think I've reacted to it in 2025. I remember watching this. I remember reacting to this song, obviously, because Yo Maps is one of my favorites.
One of the biggest songs this year came from Mr. Music himself, Dreams. Single has gotten him award nominations and large online streams. Off YouTube, it stands at 9.4 million in 20.
I think I've reacted to this one. Oh, I've seen this one. Dreams? Yeah, it seems so familiar, man. I think I might have reacted to it. Not so sure. I should put it on the list if I've not reacted to it. Check it out as well. I'm going to do Hey. The bass guitar on this is insane. Hey. Feeling good.
Triple M ended the year quite strong. His song Follow, released just a few months before the end of the year, has topped various charts and closed off 2024 with over 10 million views.
That's a lot of stuff. It's Zambia and Malawi in the building.
Chikatirira pakuboko twende nyantapa nyantepo akatende dipado from uchirodo wa mutende she got me covered ngo mutenge yeah that's why napa dekupapa kozi wale mpapa tawaleka pona nombo chilula mpapa mpapa fyabale tuseka
I don't think I've seen this video. I'm gonna have to react to this one as well.
ngana kulolesa ntilalesa musuma kwena uliluba pali wenshaluba my forever soulmate pakeluba
Having the most views this year, your boy Your Maps featuring Nigeria's Iyanya on this hit song Confirmation was a definite top buzz this year. The song got over 11 million views.
Your Maps is collecting those views on YouTube, and this is one of the things that I'm doing on the other channel. I know that you guys are here because you were watching me on the other channel that I used to react on. I'm going to be making videos about like YouTube monetization and stuff like that, because you know we all know that if you are like a content creator in Zambia, Botswana, Namibia, Lesotho, Eswatini, Malawi, you cannot monetize your YouTube content, and there is a problem that we might do some. Anyway, I'm doing about all these things on my other channel, so you should go check it out as well. Anyway, yeah, Your Maps is making it's proving the case that I'm raising on that side. I think I rated this one as well. Oh, I've watched it so many times, so I cannot remember for real. But
I got confirmation, heavenly confirmation. If you need funds, make a wire. Love you marathon, I no go tire. Any other man is a liar. Only one I'm tired. They tell me say soon now we'll find out. As I see you now, I don't retire. Play a life safe, no they pay man bills. Nativella baby looking at me eyes, can you see that fire? Life is planned by me.
Yo, this depends. This deserves to be number one. Okay.
Let them scatter. Who can you see? I might end up in a coma. In my life, you the only one, baby. Girl, if I lie, you can kill me. You're the one God sent to me. I got confirmation. Heavenly confirmation. Nakupenda, baby. You're the one God sent to me. I got confirmation.
Beautiful stuff, man.
Nakupenda, Jennifer. Skondi sina zula muli jelikani. Kaguona ni maona America.
Yo, big up to Your Maps. I felt like really deserve those views. The quality that this guy is putting out there is unmatched, and I hope that you guys out there in Zambia appreciating him as much as he's putting out this entertainment for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you do not miss any of the uploads on this channel, and I'll see you guys on the other side.